hope you will never use it, but if one day we are stuck in the car and can't sleep, do you know how to save yourself? There is such a small mechanism in the rear seat. We can buckle it with our hand to put it in the rear seat, and then climb into this hole. There is such an emergency escape switch on the door panel of this trunk, and we can escape this trunk by giving it a slight flick in the direction of the arrow. In fact, this is just an emergency function on your car. There are many such emergency functions in your car. Some can save money, some can save your life. Today I will tell you all, go!